Today I will show you that how you can easily update Snapchat to the latest version in 2025. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to head over to the App Store or Play Store if you're on an Android phone, and then you'll have to search for Snapchat. Now you'll have to tap on Snapchat, and if it says update, you'll have to tap on update and it will be updated to the latest version. But if it says open but you still don't have access to some latest features, or you are still facing some bugs and glitches, you can do one thing. You can force update the app to the latest version, and to do that you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone, and then you'll have to tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. And if you're on Android, you'll have to head over to the settings and then head over to the app section and then look for Snapchat. Once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on offload app. Now, one thing you'll have to keep in mind that it will not delete any one of your personal files or any of your data. It will only clear and delete cache files, which will help you to improve the app using the user experience, and it will also forcefully update your app to the latest version. You'll have to tap on offload app and you'll have to wait a bit, and then you'll have to tap on reinstall app, and your app will be forcefully updated to the latest version. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.